Back to school season is almost here.
And many children in low-income families still need basic school supplies so they can start the year ready to learn.
And that's why we're supporting Adopt an Angel school supplies and backpack drive.
We're collecting backpacks, notebooks, pencils, crayons, binders, and other essential school supplies.
Every donation helps provide local children with the tools they need to succeed in the classroom.
This year's drive is especially meaningful.
Adopt an Angel was founded by longtime Bay East member Georgia Butterfield.
Georgia dedicated herself to helping children and families in need throughout our community.
By donating school supplies, we're not only helping local students,
We're also honoring Georgia's legacy of compassion and service. Please join us and donate by August 3rd.
You can drop off your donations right here at Bay East.
together we'll start the school year strong.